So there's a free alternative to Microsoft Office, and it's called LibreOffice, and it covers all the same operating suites that you would find within the Microsoft Office suite. It covers word processing and spreadsheets and presentations. Let's look at the Writer tool, and let's look at how you can easily add headers and footers in this particular case. So once installed, and once Writer is open in the brand new document, what you would do is go to Insert, Header and Footer, and start with the one that you want first. And likewise, if you want to use the footer, insert that too. And there's a lot of fields that can be included in these areas. Under the insert, again, you can do the page number. You can also do the field, which encompasses the other major things that you may want to get to, whether the number or the count of pages. So then there's the trick of possibly making the first page different from the second one in terms of header and footer, and that's actually really easy. If I go to my header up here, I can right-click in it, go to Page Style, and within the header section, I just need to uncheck this box that says Same Content on First Page, and the same thing for the footer, if that's another area I should want to go in. And then as I make changes to the first page, that leaves the second page perfectly intact and going forward.